Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video I'm going to give you my honest opinion about the Nothing Phone 1. I'm the right person because I have been using the white and the black variant of this particular phone for about 3 months guys, and this is one of the most brilliant phones which is available under 30,000. And trust me guys, I know you all must be comparing this with Motorola Edge and the Pixel 6a, but this is a better phone simply because you are getting a wireless charging, and which is really useful just in case you want to top up your battery in case it is low. And if you want to buy this particular phone, please check out the link in the description to buy this for an offer and all. And for certain offers guys, you get this particular phone for about 25,000. So for 25,000, this is a really steal guys. This was launched and then they increased and decreased, whatnot regarding the price. And this, I know most of you all will be saying that it looks like the iPhone 12, and yes it does, but then it really looks better than the iPhone 12 because personally I own the iPhone 12. And as you can see, there is a branding of the Nothing, and you can see the wireless charging coil and some glyph lighting, which will be coming and covering it in this video later on. And as you can see, there are two cameras, and if you like this kind of videos, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and please press that notification bell to get any future update. Also follow us at the rate Creative Soft on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, which would help my channel a lot. And as you can see the display guys, it is brilliant. The OLED display with the punch hole is awesome, and you can even switch the dark mode, and it really looks awesome guys. And when it comes to performance, I had no issues with the gaming and with the 778 plus the processor. And the 5G performance is also quite good. And one thing which I really want to focus on in this particular review guys is the cameras. As you can see, I had a lot of issues with this particular setting, and uh, I don't think so this is the best implementation of it, and especially the portrait is a hit or a miss. This is where it let me down, because as you can see, it sometimes really fails to identify the subject, just in case if you are shooting in this kind of scenarios guys. As you can see, sometimes the tree is sharp and the other things are blur, and it just looks artificial. In my case, please don't use the portrait mode. And I know the Nothing Phone 1, they have fixed using some regular updates and all, and previously I had some issues and now they are fixed. But then even the dynamic range is improved guys, which is a huge plus point for me, especially a person like me who really clicks a lot of photos. And when it comes to video guys, it is limited to 4K but at certain FPS. And then you can, if you really want, then you can shoot at 1080p 60 FPS also, and 720p is also available, but I really do not recommend on this. And even the front facing cameras, which needs to be covered, I really didn't like the selfie of the front facing camera, but the real camera is really one of the best. And as you can see, there is this flash guys, which you have it. And even the macro lens which I've used is also brilliant. I can almost see this kind of golden thing. And as you know, uh, I mean, the image is very sharp. When I tried shooting in outside, the dynamic range is quite good, if not better than Pixel. And I think this is doing a brilliant job, especially in low light, etc. And here is a shot which I shot of my camera guys. Even it is very crisp, and please notice the difference between the foreground and the background. It is very blurry. And this is just about phone. I don't have much to talk about it. And it comes with that Nothing OS, and I think they will keep improving it. And especially when it comes to privacy, this is not the best phone guys, because you have all your Google apps installed anyways. And talking about the build quality guys, this is the back glass is really fantastic. Only thing I recommend is using a case, because just in case you drop this phone, you might be in a very big issue, because there are limited number of service centers for this particular phone, and it's slightly bit wider I guess, so handling with one hand is really a difficult thing for this kind of phone. And it comes with 33-watt wireless charging, sorry wired charging. And the battery is quite good guys. I've been very happy with the battery life of this particular phone. The only thing what I complain is sometimes the phone gets heated up, and especially when you are playing games and all, which is natural because there is separation of this glass and all. And even the frame gets heated up. That's the only thing. And when you crank up the volume very high, sometimes you can hear the distortion and glyph lighting, guys. How I can forget about the glyph lighting? It is very useful in certain cases if you're just using lighting for macro photography. Other than that, I've never been using this for notification, because just imagine, guys, you are getting a notification and this lighting kind of fancy things show up in the glyph lighting, and later you again have to pick the phone anyways to see the notification. So in my case, I just turned it off, because after 5 days this got very irritating for me and I really didn't like it. So in that case, guys, sometimes you will like it, especially once you get this particular phone, but after that, that hype is totally over. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we do it while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, because there is always something new to learn, and check out these awesome videos which you have it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the Nothing Phone 1, and I hope to see you in my next video.